Next, I'll be speaking about heavy precipitation events in the U.S. The threat is a surplus of precipitation events in the U.S. due to global warming. Areas in the Northwest are most at risk of spring flooding because of the frozen soil not being able to absorb snow and rain. The western coastal states are more at risk for atmospheric rivers. Heavy precipitation events are expected to increase in the next century in the U.S. in both intensity and frequency. The forecasts predict higher stream flow and flood risks in the Northwest. The communities in the Northwest and Western areas will mostly remain the same, given the changes are not expected to be drastic, especially since the explanation of the floods is so complex given the unpredictability of soil moisture and snowfall. The solutions are to try to continue to monitor the changes in soil, precipitation, and snowfall to better understand and predict the changes in precipitation events.